Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. My name is CJ. If this is your first time joining us, you can kindly go to your YouTube channel. Go to our profile, subscribe to our channel, watch our videos, especially this video you are seeing right here. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up because I know you're going to be content.
No matter the time, no matter the place, I'm giving you base. Hey, no matter the time, no matter the place, I'm giving you base. Hey.
In this update, BBA Pool is newly launched. It was launched last week, so I decided to share it with you people so that we can end together.
Getting back, son.
Once you are done opening the boat, this is how it will be. Then it will show you to perform tasks. To perform tasks, you can go to any words. You can go to any words, this place. You can go to any words. So I've already performed the tasks. They gave me 50 on this one, they gave me 10 on this one, they gave me 10, they gave me 10. I haven't done this deposit because I really need it freely, so I decided to leave to deposit. If you want to invite your friends, like invite your friends and family to the newly launched update, you have to just go to your friends, click on this invite, then copy the link and send to your friends and family. Okay, let's go back to it.
No matter the time, no matter the place, I'm giving you base. Hey, no matter the time, no matter the place, I'm giving you base. Hey.
I really need this place, easy coins. It will show you this. You're seeing here, these things you're seeing from here to here. That's easy coins. The currency type, the daily rates.
Getting back, son.
You can copy your ID and send to anyone who is joining you so that your referral link can post up and link together.
Getting
While
back,
you're
dog.
scanning your channel. In tomorrow's class, I'll be showing us how to withdraw. That will be later, because I didn't know that the minimum withdrawal is 20 USDT TRX. You can withdraw 2 hours and 2.5, 6 hours and 2.6 DR. That's what they will be doing. You can debit yourself every day. So let's go back to America. Alright guys, our main topic is about these free coins, because here is where you stake your coins. After staking it, you'll be earning every hour. Hours.
No matter the time, no matter the place, I'm giving you base. Hey, no matter the time, no matter the place, I'm giving you base. Hey.
So what you can the minimum trade is 10 TRX. So after tapping on that 10 TRX,
Getting back, son.
this processing right here. After tapping on it, you can tap mass, then trade it. You purchase the trade, then you'll be earning every 24 hours. That's a day, 2%. That TRX will be delivered to you a day. So guys, I really appreciate you for watching this video from here to here. In our next class about this update, I will be showing you how to withdraw on this update, because it's very easy and simple. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up, because I really know you enjoyed this video. You can go to the description box and tap the link. If you have any question, you can just kindly go to our comment section and ask the question, and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. DJ loves you.